This is the bottom of a sliding glass door that's pretty rotted. You can see it's really had better days, and this side of the roller is in okay shape, but this other side is really, the pocket that the roller is into is completely destroyed and rotted away, and the roller is up inside that. So what I did is decide to take a bunch of measurements of where the footlock is, because those have to be pretty precise as I want to put it back in the exact same place. The rot you can see here in this next picture is right by the number 3 there. It's a little hole, but usually those holes get a lot bigger once you start digging out the rot. And so I just took all these measurements to know right where the pocket is for the roller, the width of the door there. Basically, I need to put everything back the way it was originally. So I just need to get a bunch of good measurements. After I got all those measurements, I could start digging out the problem area. You start with a small hole, but as you dig further, you find out that hole goes throughout the bottom of the door there. This oscillating saw is a super great tool for just this kind of a project. But basically what I'm figuring is this left side of the door is what I need to replace. I do this gradually. I don't want to cut out more of the door than I have to. But what typically happens is as you dig around there, you find out that the rot is way beyond that little hole. That's exactly what happens here. Is I keep cutting back more and more of the hole to get every last bit of that rot out of there. See, I can still see a little bit of rot there. Finally, I just ended up cutting about 1/3 of the board away. After chasing the rot, that's about what I was left with. And so what I decided to do is go ahead and get a piece of cedar, put it in there, and in 2 pieces. The first half, I cut the pocket for the roller, and there's this adjustment screw right there. What I wanted to do is have a hole coming in from the side so I can hit the adjustment screw and make that roller go up or down to accommodate the right height for the door. I made sure that I could get the screwdriver in and raise that wheel up and down. And once I got all that done, I was ready for the second half of the board to put on top of that. The second half, basically I'm making a sandwich with the roller in the middle. It's a lot easier to cut that pocket out by doing 2 pieces like a sandwich. But there, it makes just a perfect sandwich. And I left a little bit more thickness so I could sand it down after I was all done. But that's about 1/3 to 1/2 of the door that I replaced. But all of that was rotted, and now the door is in a lot better condition. Before finishing up the door, I went and put it in place just to make sure that it was going to fit, and everything was good the way I had done it. Now I can go ahead and sand it, paint it, and be done. Hope this video helps. Got anything out, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. We got more videos coming. Thanks for watching.